Today you're in Dyana's kitchen, guys. Today I want to show you how to make some oxtail soup, guys. Let's start, guys.
Guys, this is everything that I'm going to use to make my oxtail soup, guys. First, I want to show you my oxtail, guys. This is my oxtail. It's already washed. Alright, you can wash your oxtail, guys, with some vinegar or some lemon juice. Okay, this is already washed, guys. Okay, guys, so I have here some corn that I'm gonna put in my soup, my oxtail soup. Guys, some carrot. Okay, I already cut up 2 carrots here. You're gonna cut up a carrot. You're gonna wash your carrot and scrape a carrot and cut the carrot up. Okay, and here, this is some pumpkin. This is how the pumpkin look, if you don't know. Alright, it's already peeled. Alright, I already peeled the pumpkin, so I'm gonna put the pumpkin in my soup. Okay, guys, and this is how it looks. So now I want to show you my season. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to season up my soup. Okay, I'm gonna use some thyme. I'm gonna use some scallion. Okay, and I'm gonna use some pumpkin flavor soup mix. So I'm gonna use 3. Okay, guys, this is how the pumpkin flavor soup mix look, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use 3 of it. Okay, I'm gonna use some pepper. This is pretty hot, so be careful if you're gonna use the pepper. Pretty hot. All right, and guys, you don't have to use this. This is okra. Okay, guys, but I love the okra in the soup. This is the season, guys, that I'm going to use to season my my soup. This is my black pepper, and this is my all-purpose season. Okay, if you have Jamaican seasoned salt, you can use it. I'm going to use some salt. Guys, I'm going to use some garlic powder. The garlic powder is good when you're cooking the oxtail. Alright, so now, guys, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show some garlic powder. I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic powder, because the garlic powder helps to cook the oxtail. Okay, guys, it's help to cook the oxtail. But remember, it's already washed, so you have to wash it. Okay, and this is all-purpose season. Okay, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of all-purpose season. If you want to put a teaspoon, it's okay, it's up to you, but I put a tablespoon because you definitely want that flavor. Okay, I'm gonna put now some black pepper, like a teaspoon of black pepper, guys. Don't put too much black pepper. All right, now we're gonna put some salt. Okay, you can put like a teaspoon of salt, because most of these season have a lot of salt, and if you taste it and if you taste like you want more salt, go ahead and put more salt. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put this in my pot to cook for about an hour, because sometimes the oxtail can take a long time. If you have a pressure, you can put it for about half an hour or 40 minutes. Alright, because sometimes it takes pretty long. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right now to cook. And guys, you can put it with, if you can definitely put it with your pumpkin. Alright, you can put it with your pumpkin. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pour some water, get some water in my pot right now. Put on the stove, guys. And guys, once the oxtail cooks, you have to change the pot. You're going to definitely need a bigger pot. Okay? But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put like a pumpkin mix in it, because, you know, you want the oxtail to have that nice yellow, you know, look. So I'm going to put one of the pumpkin mix, guys. This is the pumpkin mix. So now I'm gonna put this in my stove, guys, for an hour. So see in an hour. Okay, guys, so the oxtail is cooking nicely. Look at that, guys. I changed the pot because I need space, so I changed the pot to a bigger pot, guys. So you're going to need a bigger pot, guys. But this is soup. Okay. So it's been boiling right now for about half an hour, guys.
Put some caramel dumpling or some Irish potatoes, some yam in your soup. I'm gonna peel mine right now.
Okay, guys, so this is my Irish potato, guys. Okay, I'm putting in some Irish potato in my oxtail soup. Okay, guys, this is the yam, yellow yam. And before I do this, guys, let me put some oil on my hands. This is the oil, because I don't want it to stain my hands. So I'm putting in some coconut oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil. Okay. All right, guys. Cut it in two and then washed it. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna keep on going. All right.
My oxtail been cooking for like an hour, so now I can put in my Irish potato and my seasoning and everything else.
Okay, guys, so right now, guys, I'm putting in my yam, my yellow yam. Right now, my yellow yam and my potato, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw my season. I'm gonna put my carrot in. This is the carrot. Throw my carrot in. Okay, and this is the season. So you have the scallion, you have the thyme, and you have the okra. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. That looks so yummy, guys. Looks so yummy. So yummy, guys. Right now, guys, you're gonna need a big pot. Okay? See this? The pot looks so full already. You're definitely gonna need a big pot. Okay? Yeah, definitely gonna need a big pot for this. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, so now we're gonna put like our seasoning, the rest of seasoning in. Okay. I'm gonna put, guys, some black pepper. I already put some black pepper when I was cooking the oxtail. So I'm just put another pinch of black pepper. Okay. And a pinch of salt. Another pinch of salt. So you just taste it, guys. You know, you definitely want to taste it, guys. And guys, if you want to put some dumpling, you can go ahead and, you know, put some dumpling in it. Okay. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. The oxtail and the yam and the potato. Oh guys, look at this. And the okra. I can't wait to taste this, guys. I just can't wait, guys, to taste it. So guys, I'm gonna give this like 20 minutes for everything to cook. The Irish and the yam and the okra and everything to cook together. Okay. And as I said already, guys, if you want to put some caramel dumpling, you can go ahead and do so. Okay. Alright, guys, I just taste it and it tastes amazing. Alright, if you want to put some pepper, guys, this is the pepper. But I'm not going to put the pepper yet because I don't want it too spicy. I'm going to wait last to put, you know, to put a piece of pepper. If you want to wash it and put the older one, you can go ahead and put the older one. Okay.
So guys, my soup is ready to eat. It looking so delicious, guys. I just cannot wait to eat. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is the soup, looking good, ready to eat. If you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share if you like. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.